In this video, you will learn how to assemble seasonal leg kits for FLOE sectional docks. This will complement other detailed information provided in FLOE's written assembly instructions and owner's manual. Before assembling, ensure you have a system layout that shows what leg kits and dock sections go together. Before getting started, it is important to have a dock layout to ensure that you install the proper size leg kits on each section. Our Design a Dock tool is ideal to help you lay out and visualize the dock system prior to assembly and installation. In order to do the assembly, you will need the following tools. It will take 2 people approximately 10 minutes to complete the leg assembly as shown. Flip the dock section upside down and place it on a soft surface or wood blocks to ensure the deck surface does not get scratched. Dock sections come standard with 4 leg pockets, but generally only 2 are used for straight-out dock sections. Slide a 1/2-inch aluminum nut into the track of the leg pocket from step number 1 on your fastener card. Thread the knob bolt through the leg pocket and into the nut. Do not tighten the knob bolt at this time. Insert the leg into the leg pocket as shown. Note the orientation of the stop blocks welded to the front and back of the leg. Rocking the leg assembly while hand tightening the knob bolt will help to ensure that the leg is seated and the knob bolt is adequately tightened. If the leg moves in the pocket, the knob bolt needs to be tightened further. Do not use any tools on the knob bolt. Slide the brace clamp over the leg with the tab toward the center of the dock, as shown. Insert the fasteners from step 2 of your fastener card. Do not tighten yet. Place a V-brace in the V-brace mount using a safety snap pin. Adjust the V-brace bracket up or down to allow the installation of the fasteners from step 3 on your fastener card. Tighten the nut on the V-brace and torque to 5 foot-pounds. Tighten the nut and bolt on the V-brace bracket clamp and torque to 20 foot-pounds. Attach the sand pad to the dock leg using the fasteners from step 4 on your fastener card. Torque to 10 foot-pounds. Repeat this process on the other leg in the kit. Flip the dock section right side up. To raise the dock, spin the nut on each leg counterclockwise. To lower, spin clockwise. Use a cordless drill in clutch mode or a FLOE speed wrench, along with a level, until the dock is level. Caution: the nut will come to a sudden stop when the leg is either fully extended or retracted, and that is why we recommend that your drill be in clutch mode. Thank you for choosing FLOE. Please consult your local dealer if you need additional assistance.